Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Crypto Freak, and hope you all are doing great. So, this video is gonna be in Hindi as well as in English. So, let's start. Basic questions लोगों के ये आ रहे हैं कि like how they can start investing in crypto, what exchanges they can use, and the other questions are like how much they can in start investing for buying bitcoins or any other virtual currencies. Is it legal or not in India? What are the best websites or the exchanges they can use? So I will be answering these questions over here in this particular video. So if you're a beginner, I must recommend you to go for the Indian exchanges if you are based in India. So the best Indian exchanges that I use is WazirX. The first one is the WazirX, and the second one is CoinDCX. Here we go. सो वजीरेक्स बेसिकली एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे हम INR दैट इज़ इंडियन करेंसी के थ्रू हम अपना कोई भी वर्चुअल कॉइन या वर्चुअल करेंसी परचेज कर सकते हैं. If you want to buy Bitcoin or if you want to buy Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, any of the coins, you can just log into WazirX or CoinDCX. CoinDCX is basically a little bit complex, maybe a complex for the beginners because इसमें हमारे futures आ जाते हैं, long करने के लिए आ जाता है, short करने के लिए आ जाता है. So I don't recommend CoinDCX at these initial stages. You must go for WazirX. So starting with WazirX, you just need to go to the website that is wazirx.com and sign up there, and just provide your email address, password, confirm the password, and referral code. I will provide my referral code in the description box. Please use that. That will help you out in future as well. That will help me as well. So moving forward, once you sign up over here, you will have to provide your KYC documents. So once your KYC is approved, you will be able to log into WazirX, and you just need to go to exchange. Exchange is basically a platform where you can convert your INR to any other coin. So you can buy any of these coins available here using your INR or using your Indian currency. सो WazirX एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हमें मल्टीपल कॉइन्स परचेज करने का ऑप्शन देता है. Zeppay इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द एक्सचेंजेस, बट Zeppay पे बहुत लिमिटेड कॉइन्स अवेलेबल हैं एंड देयर सर्विसेज आर नॉट दैट गुड नाउ. So let's see how you can purchase Bitcoin over here. So once you have logged in and you have your account created, you need to deposit the money, and once you deposit the money, you have to click here on the INR part. Whichever coin you want to buy, you can enter it here. Like if you want to buy BTC, just enter BTC here and click on the BTC. एंड लोगों को ये बहुत डाउट रहता है कि लाइक BTC की तो वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा है. इफ़ वी लुक एट द करंट वैल्यू, इट्स अराउंड 33,24,700. So we can't buy this much of BTC. So BTC के पीछे एक BTC is basically divided into bits, and there are 8 bits in a single BTC. So you can buy any amount of BTC if you enter 100 over here, like the INR 100. अगर आपको 100 रुपये का भी BTC बाय करना है, so you can do that. In that case, you will just get a portion of Bitcoin, that is 0.0003. So this is the amount that you will be getting if you are buying Bitcoin worth rupees 100. You just have to enter the amount here, and this will be auto generated, and you just need to click on buy BTC, and that much amount of BTC will be in your account. However, यहाँ पे हमारे लिमिट होती है पर्टिकुलर एक्सचेंज की, लाइक मिनिमम कितने का आप बाय कर सकते हो, सो आई गेस वो 500 या 1000 के अराउंड होगी. So you can check that out in case you want to buy any other coin. You can search for it like XRP. XRP is one of my favorite coins. And ये ऑटो करेक्ट से कुछ भी हो जाता है, like damn it. If you want to buy XRP, just enter XRP under the INR pair and click on it. You can enter the amount for which you want to buy XRP, एंड उस अमाउंट का आप XRP, जैसे अगर मेरे को 1000 रुपये के XRP बाई करने हैं, सो राइट नाउ आई एम गेटिंग 16.9 XRPs वर्थ रुपीज 1000, एंड वन सिंगल XRP विल बी ऑफ 59.15, एंड वी जस्ट नीड टू क्लिक ऑन द बाय बटन. अगर हम लीगल टर्म्स की बात करें, सो बहुत क्वेश्चन है कि लाइक क्रिप्टो इंडिया में लीगल है या नहीं है, whether we can buy cryptocurrency in India or not, whether we should buy cryptocurrencies in India or not. So इसका आंसर ये है कि we can obviously buy cryptocurrencies in India. अभी इसके ऊपर कोई लॉ नहीं बना है, एंड पार्लियामेंट में भी अभी रिसेंटली जो बातें चल रही थी, जो लॉज पास होने थे, दे वर नॉट अबाउट बैनिंग cryptocurrencies. The laws will be about banning those cryptocurrencies which are fake. So बहुत फेक क्रिप्टो करेंसीज भी हो आ जाती हैं मार्केट में, जो जिनकी वजह से लाखों इन्वेस्टर्स का पैसा डूब जाता है. सो द लॉ विल बी अबाउट दैट. द बेसिक क्रिप्टो करेंसीज और द मेन क्रिप्टो करेंसीज दैट हैव फोकस ऑन द मार्केट, दे आर नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर. Yeah. So my uh, being a professional crypto trader, I use CoinTrader Pro for the charting, for checking out the charts. I would like to show you one of my favorite charts. This is the XRP chart which I am following, and I am deeply into XRP. Why I am into XRP, I will be showing that in some other video. So if you have any kind of questions, any kind of doubts regarding anything, you can let me know, and I will definitely provide you the feedback.